Bullish gorilla value expectation is $7.57 to $10.46. Apecoin cost could likewise reach $15 soon. Ape negative market cost expectation for 2022 is $3.12. In Apecoin cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Gorilla to dissect the future development of the digital money. Apecoin current market status. The cost of Apecoin is $5.45 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $307,899,242 at the hour of composing. Notwithstanding, Chimp has diminished by 1.2% as of now. Besides, Apecoin has a circling supply of 314,218,750 primate. Right now, Apecoin exchanges digital money trades, for example, Binance, CoinTrade, KuCoin, HowBuy Worldwide, and FTX. What is Apecoin? Apecoin is the local utility badge of the Gorilla biological system. It is an ERC20 token made and oversaw by Apecoin since its send-off in WOC 2022. Apecoin has turned into a well-known metaverse token connected with the viral exhausted Gorilla Yacht Club NFTs and other side metaverse. Apecoin is the essential administration token that awards clients casting a ballot rights in its local DAO. Chimp holders take part in the organization's administration recommendations. Chimp, sent as a decentralized installment token across a few Web3D apps. Likewise, Apecoin, allotted as a motivator to compensate engineers who add to the organization's turn of events. Apecoin value forecast 2022. A climbing channel is the cost activity between two lined-up vertical inclining lines. This cost design is recognized by better upsides and worse low points. A rising channel is made by drawing a lower pattern line that interfaces the swing lows and an upper channel line that interfaces the swing highs. Cost doesn't necessarily remain altogether shaped inside the equal lines of a climbing channel, yet rather shows areas of help and opposition that brokers can use to set stop misfortune orders and benefit targets. A breakout over a climbing channel might demonstrate a continuation of the vertical pattern, though a breakdown under a rising channel might show an adjustment of pattern. Presently, Apecoin is in the scope of $5.45. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of Chimp could arrive at the obstruction levels of $5.87 and $6.42. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of Chimp might tumble to $5.06 and $4.17. Apecoin backing and opposition levels. From the above everyday time span, we can decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Apecoin. The outlines show that Apecoin has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, Primate could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $10.46. Likewise, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Apecoin could plunge to nearly $3.12, a negative sign. Apecoin value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Apecoin, displayed in the graph underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of Gorilla lies underneath the end line, demonstrating frail members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Apecoin is displayed in the graph above. Strikingly, the Apecoin cost somewhat lies under 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a downtrend. Right now, Primate is in a negative state. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Primate whenever. In the meantime, the Gorilla's overall strength file is 54.55. This implies that Apecoin, in neither an oversold nor overbought state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of Primate might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Apecoin value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of Apecoin. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Apecoin. Right now, the ADX of Chimp lies in the scope of 34.587, so it demonstrates major areas of strength for it. The above outline likewise addresses the overall unpredictability record of the Apecoin. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Chimp lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of the Apecoin is at 54.55, subsequently affirming a potential sell signal. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value changes of BTC, ETH, and Primate are moving in a comparable pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and CHIMP would increment or lessening individually. Apecoin Value Forecast 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Apecoin could most likely accomplish $19 by 2023. Apecoin Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Apecoin could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, CHIMP could mobilize to hit $25 by 2024. Apecoin Value Forecast 2025. If Apecoin supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Primate would revitalize to hit $29. Apecoin Value Forecast 2026. If Apecoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Primate would energize to hit $33. Apecoin Value Expectation 2027. In the event that Apecoin supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Primate would energize to hit $37. Apecoin Value Expectation 2028. If Apecoin holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, CHIMP would hit $41 in 2028. Apecoin Value Expectation 2029. On the off chance that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Apecoin, it would observe significant spikes. CHIMP could hit $45 by 2029. Apecoin Value Forecast 2030. With more prominent progressions in the Gorilla Convention, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Primate for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Thus, Apecoin could hit $49 by 2030. And, with persistent upgrades in the Apecoin organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for CHIMP. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of Apecoin in 2022 is $10.46. Then again, the negative value expectation of Apecoin cost forecast for 2022 is $3.12. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the Apecoin biological system, the exhibition of Gorilla would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $26.70 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $15 assuming the financial backers accept that Gorilla is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Apecoin? Apecoin is a renowned metaverse token related with exhausted Gorilla's Yacht Club NFTs. This ERC20 token is the utility badge of the Gorilla environment and an installment token sent across Web3D apps. 2. Where could you at any point buy Apecoin? Apecoin has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, CoinTrade, KuCoin, HowBuy Worldwide, and FTX. 3. Will Apecoin come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the stage, Gorilla has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Apecoin? On April 28, 2022, Apecoin arrived at its new all-time high of $26.70. 5.